Whoa. Hola, bicholas. She's going pretty good. Move her over. Hey, you may remember the old Anvil song, Metal on Metal. Well, today we got Weber on Weber, Kettle on Kettle. That's what I like. I pulled this thing off the side of the road about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I don't know. I think it's called Smokey Joe Premium. No vent on the bottom, vent on the side. More there. Got this thing to put your lid on, but this bale is pretty flimsy, so I don't know. Garbage. The grate was all rusted. I don't know if that's gonna stay or not. Well, we'll find out. Pardon me. Boom. Let's move this over. Leave that on the gas burner too long. Alright, bitches. Let's let this thing fucking rock. We'll see how this thing works. Woo. Woo! Alright, bitches. This is what we got going on. I can't remember the last time I bought T-bone steak. 10 years anyway. Not a fan of T-bone. If you've watched any of my rib steak or steak videos, they're rib steak videos. I love rib steak. Can't afford it. $20.28. It was calling me. It was on sale. $9.21 kilos, so 2 pounds. I'm gonna do the smaller one. Vacuum seal that fucker. So, I'm gonna wash off my meat. Wash your meat. Get all the slime off it. And we're just gonna put some olive oil and some Montreal steak spice. But before we do that, we're gonna get uncanny. It was whoever the fuck that guy is. Boom. I think that's that Fury guy. Isn't it? I don't know. Can't see. No glasses. Cheers, big ears. Refreshing. It's hot as fuck. It's like 28 degrees Celsius. Whoa. Alright, bitches. Looks like that. Meat's clean. This piece of fat's gonna fall off, so oh well. A little bit of olive oil. A lot of bit of olive oil. I'll leave it there till it makes fire. And we'll rip it off. Good enough. You know how to do this, right? Good enough. I'll cut that off. Good enough. Alright, bitches. Let's get out there and dump some charcoal and wash my hands. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Chain, take that off too. Where that knife is, it's over there. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, bitches. Pretty much ready to dump the charcoal. The lid's fallen off once. They said that bale is pretty loose, so they don't expect it to hang around with any wiggling and jiggling there. Ow. That went in my nail. It was in my glove. Wear gloves. Safety, bitches. Ah, see? I think it's gonna fall. See? Told you it was loose. Come on. It's weird that the vent is not at the bottom. Very weird. Don't mind me, I'm high as fuck. I'm playing with charcoals. Why? Because I can, I guess. Alright, bitches. Looks like that. Just came off on a rack. Your meat on a fucking rack. You're gonna cover that with some foil, lightly tent it, let it sit for about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Whoa. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Whoa. Alright, bitches. Got another fucking Coca-Cola here. Fuck, I'm high. I'm so high, I forgot to take more. Oh. This is what we're on today. Apes in space. 1,000 milligrams per pack. Gotta keep it in here. Let's grab another one. One bites the dust. Yeehaw. That's the worst, being so high you forget to stay high. Alright. It's been about, I don't know, 15 minutes. We're gonna get uncanny with this thing. Hurry up, I know. It's been a while since you get one of these videos, so shut the fuck up. Woo. Vai, kagarshis. Alright, what does it look like? It's like that. It's on there a little tight. Alright. Play-debut. Oh, hold on a second. Alright, bitches. Looks like this. Haven't taken any temperature, so all your temperature dickwads can, you know, shut the fuck up. It is what it is. And that is, looks like grizzle. We'll rip her right down the fucking middle, bitches. Just like that. Why did you do that? Here you go. Let's give it a ripperoo. Tasty. Medium. Grizzle. From the no frills. I'm actually surprised they fucking had this. Like the no frills. This is more tender. Nice. Nice. Well, that little cooker did the fucking job. It was free. I don't expect to see it again. They got one cook out of it. I'm happy with it. For free. Like I said, I've had it for 5 or 6 years. I've never used it. Sat in the fucking garage all that time. Handy though. If you don't have room for a big one or something, I fucking recommend it. I don't know about doing long cooks or anything like that. Just for doing burgers, steak, fucking sausages, whatever. Pork chops, yeah, wings. Thighs. I would say it's not bad. That's fucking great. That's mostly just fat. Fat equals flavor, bitches. Made a mess. Couldn't go at least one video without making a mess, eh? That's fucking beautiful. That's fucking dynamite right there, bitches. Right fucking there. Fuck me sideways on Sunday. Sally. That's fucking great. Well, the no frills T-bone. Was it worth it? Yes. It actually was. That's fucking grizzled there. Alright, bitches. Like I say, there you go. Tea. Tea. Tea is for T-bone. Alright, enough playing with my fucking food. Don't play with your meat. I'm playing with my meat, bitches. Get out of here. That's it for that. Cheers, big ears. Weber on Weber. Kettle on Kettle. Oh, you know what? At this time. At this place. At this very fucking moment. It's time for a tea. And today's tea is a ting. T is for ting. Fuck yeah. Oh baby. It's been a lot of years since I had one of these. Beautiful woman from St. Lucia. She used to drink this. Ting. It's in ting, man. Yeah, man. This is from Jamaica. Cheers, big ears. RTFO, mofos. Fuck yeah. Ting. Woo.